Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today we'll see one new video of scenario based interview question. Okay, so earlier we have already uploaded 8 scenario based interview question. If you have not watched this question, I will recommend you please go and watch these questions, because this kind of scenarios in interview in the interviewer used to ask. Okay, so please go and watch it, and also try to solve it by your method. Okay, first see whatever method I have used. Okay, and if you think that there is another method for solving this questions, you can solve it by yourself, and also comment your solution on the video comment section so that I also can learn from you guys. Okay, so it is not that I know everything. Okay, I am also learning from you guys. Please do watch these questions, and if you have any doubts you can connect with me. Okay, so let's start our today's video. Okay, today's question is like this. Okay, so let's go. So in this question what they have asked, so they have given one table of credit card details. Okay, so write a query that outputs the name of credit card and how many cards were issued in its launch month. Launch month means the pre the first month. Okay, the most earliest record. Okay, so the launch month is the earliest record in the monthly card issue table for for a given card. Okay, so in this table, monthly card issue table, they have given the name. Okay, so in this table, the launch month is, for this card it is 1, for this card it is 3, like this. Okay, so order the results starting from the biggest issued amount. Okay, so the output will be like this. Okay, so let's do. First I will import whatever function we need to import. That thing we will import it from PySpark dot SQL dot functions. Will import what I will import. So we'll import call, then one of the function required row number. Okay, and from PySpark dot SQL dot window. Sorry, it is not window. Not SQL dot window, it is window. Okay, so now it is okay. Now I'll run it. So it has imported its functions. Okay, so now what I will do, so let's do it. So final df will create, once at a time we will do that. Okay, so first what we need to do, output should be like this, but we need to first get the data that for this card what would be the what is the initial month uh, amount. Okay, so for getting this, uh, what I need to do, I need to use the window function. So df dot width with column rank. Okay, we'll use rank based on the window. It will put rank. So row number. Okay, row number over. Okay, so we'll use the window here. Create the window. So window dot partition by. So partition by based on which column it should be partitioned. So based on issue. So sorry, based on the card name. Okay, because there whatever card name it is there, based on the card name it should be partition, and it should be ordered based on issued month. So based on that we will get the uh, rank. Okay, so mm, card name, we'll take it from here and we'll paste it. Okay, and after that order by issue month. Okay, let's see the output. Truncate equals to true, otherwise we will not able to see the whole data because the string is long. Okay, so there is some issue. Okay, df, what is the thing? Okay, I need to recreate it once again. Now it is okay. Now I'll run it once again. So it is giving me the rank. Okay, so for freedom flex, it is, sorry, truncate should be false. Sometimes I am also doing silly mistakes. I need to rectify this. Okay, so based on the issue month it is giving the rank. Okay, first this card have issued and issued amount is this. Second month, this card have issued this amount. Third month, for this the rank is 3. So for this card also, this is the first month, this is the second month. So from here we'll get the data only for the first month. Okay, so this issue month is 3. It is the first month for this card issue. Okay, so based on that we are getting the data. So now what we can do, we can filter out the data. So we can use here where clause. Okay, where rank call rank rnk equals to 1. Okay, based on that we'll fetch the data first. So we have got our data. So but for this freedom flex card, it is first issue month is 3 and is its issue amount is this much of amount. For sapphire reserve card, first issue month is 1 and issued amount is this. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to uh, select the column, whatever column they required. They ask for card name and issue amount. Okay, not more than that. So select card name and issue amount. Okay, now if I'll run, so I'm getting my data. But here what they told, they told the order the result starting from the biggest issue amount. So weakest issue amount, so I need to use the order by clause. i- Issue ascending ascending equals to false. Okay, now I'm getting the data whatever they want. Okay, so the same thing we can use SQL to solve it. How to solve, let's see. So we'll use here common table expression ct as. Okay, so select star comma row number. Okay, so row number, uh, row number over, so over partition by the same thing. uh, Here for using SQL, I have already created the team view TP. Okay, so on which will partition card name, as we did earlier also. The same thing will perform here. Partition by this and order by issued month. Okay, so from from TP, as we have created one temporary view for using it in SQL. Okay, so mm, now what we'll do, select select uh, card name comma issue amount from CT. Okay, as we have created here from okay, so the same we'll use here. Where we'll use rank. Okay, where rank equals to 1, order by issue amount DESC. Okay, so now let's run it. If there will be any error, I'll get it. So I'm getting the result. Okay, in SQL we can use common table expression. First create the rank using the first city, and after that the main query using the filter we can get the uh, required value. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. It's a very common thing. Okay, if you have watched my previous videos, you can easily do it, and it's understandable. Okay, so if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, Cognitive Coders. So here we used to upload PySpark, databricks, ADF, the mainly the data engineering related stuffs. As you know, we need your support. Please support us and share the videos if you think it's a very important, and you are preparing for interview, or your colleagues or your friends are in preparing for interview, and if you are thinking that these videos are useful, please share our YouTube channel and recommend our videos. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Bye.